Happy boy holding chocolate cake with sprinkles. Happy boy holding chocolate cake with sprinkles. He sweeps the floor with a broom. He sweeps the floor with a broom. She is mopping the floor. She is mopping the floor. He is proudly holding the fish catch with bucket. He is proudly holding the fish catch with bucket. He holds the healthy food and checklist. He holds the healthy food and checklist. Man is washing the car with bucket. Man is washing the car with bucket. He holds the soccer ball in hand. He holds the soccer ball in hand. She buys the corn from a street food stall. She buys the corn from a street food stall. She is pointing to a necklace at an market stall. She is pointing to a necklace at an market stall. Man selling fresh produce at market stall. Man selling fresh produce at market stall. Farmer boy is digging with shovel. Farmer boy is digging with shovel. She is gardening in outdoor. She is gardening in outdoor. She is watering the plant. She is watering the plant. He is holding yes sign. He is holding yes sign. He is carrying basket of fruits and vegetables. He is carrying basket of fruits and vegetables. Child chef is holding the spatula. Child chef is holding the spatula. He is a driver of excavator. He is a driver of excavator. He is a delivery boy with motorcycle giving thumbs up. He is a delivery boy with motorcycle giving thumbs up. The pilots are waving with luggage and briefcase. The pilots are waving with luggage and briefcase. He go to school by van. He go to school by van. She is inflating bicycle tire using air pump. She is inflating bicycle tire using air pump. He is a mechanic holding wrench. He is a mechanic holding wrench. He is holding a car tire. He is holding a car tire.